Thank you for watching this short video of our new feature, how to use your WordPress site to send emails to using Impact. So Impact is now connected to your WordPress site. So again, this is a quick video. We're going to go through it here. Go to Impact Suite, go to email automation, and I am going to create a new email automation. In this email, I'm going to call it my winter sale event. Now, when you create it for the first time, it gives you kind of like a basic little email here. But what we want to do is we want to say up here, WordPress insert. So I'm going to click on the WordPress insert. And what you want to do is you want to enter in your WordPress site. That's our demo WordPress site, impactact.com dash. And I'm going to say link to it. So once you enter it in, click on link, and it says, oh, we have now connected to your WordPress site. And then once you click on a link, you sometimes have to hit refresh. When you refresh, you're going to have all your pages, your destination pages in your WordPress site. So I actually have a destination page called Winter Sale. So I selected that. And what text do I want to display in this link? I'll say Winter Sale Event. I'll say OK. And there is your Winter Sale Event link. You can put it anywhere on your page. I'm going to just make it large, Winter Sale Event. That's it, it's done. When you say send these emails, I'll go over here and I'll say, hey, I want to send them to my group of contacts, and I wanted to send it to all my hot deals. Once you select which group, there's 10 of them in the group, you would literally just say, send all emails now. And 10 emails will be sent to those users. Well, let's just go do a little test. My winter sale event. So this is the subject line. This is the email it's going to, the email field inside of Act. So I click here. I have actually a custom field, adjust your email. I have a personal email. I just want to send it to their primary email. You can send it to whatever email or multiple emails at the same time. Now we can say, hey, let's do a preview. I'm clicking on the preview button. Here's our preview inside of an Outlook email ready to go. If you hover over here, you're going to see that we're putting in all the tracking codes, which is great because these tracking codes will let Act know that the users clicked on this link. Understand that? So I can send out emails, have them land on my WordPress site, and if they do click through the email, it'll create an activity inside of Act like, hey, you got a hot lead. This guy clicked on the site 3 times. Whatever you want to do. This is all now possible. And I'll click on the page here, and there I go to my landing page for my winter sale. And again, this is all possible here just because you just come into the link click, you edit the WordPress, and you use this one simple dialog to connect emails inside of Act to your landing page. Okay, so we have the email going out. It's connected via WordPress. WordPress is connected via back into Impact. So how do we then follow up with these emails, these clicks, these links that people are doing? So right here, we just want to say create a follow-up. So when this email goes out and the user clicks on this link inside of their email box, what we want to do is create an event inside of Act to let us know that the user clicked on the link. So I'm going to say create a follow-up. What we're going to do is say, create this activity when the link in the email is clicked. So these are your custom activity types. And I'm going to say, hey, I have a lead or I have a marketing call to make because they clicked on the link. It's scheduled for the record manager and it's regarding this. I'll say it's regarding my winter sale event. That's it. So I just say create an activity. I'm going to click on the save button here. And so the activity is created. And if I hit save and close here, again, I hit OK. if we go to our activity list now, and we don't have any activities for today, but if we go back into Impact, because remember, those emails were sent out, and what we want to do is we want to sweep those back into Act. So we have an email assistant now aboard with Impact. And what the email assistant does is exactly that. It sweeps our emails, it sweeps the information out of WordPress and brings it into Act. So I can set up a schedule for this is probably what you normally do, and say run it every 30 minutes on the day, every day. But what I want to do is I just want to sweep them now. So I'm going to say sweep the emails. Emails have been swept. I'll say okay. I'll hit the close button. I'll say okay to here. Well, look what we have in our task list. We have the marketing call. Remember, we set it up. Create a marketing call if the user hits that page. And it was by Jim Durkin. I sent it to myself. I did a test. And it was regarding the page hit winter sale event. So the regarding line is kind of redundant here. It is the page hit of the email automation called winter sale event. And the subject line was called winter sale event. So redundant, but you understand what's happening. So now if I send out 200 emails and I get 18 clicks, I'm going to have 18 marketing calls of contacts I sent an email to that are interested enough to click on the link and hit my landing page. Okay, thank you for watching, and any more information you need on this, so we have other videos, or you can contact us directly. Okay, thank you very much.